This has been one of the best goat meat light soup I have ever made. Oh my goodness. You know that smelling goat. The male one. That is what we used to prepare this soup, and it was so delicious. If today is the first time here, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. I share easy recipes here. You will love today's recipe. Let's get started. So I have with me here my intestine. Okay, I'll just go ahead and then cut some of the fat off. I mean, we can't get everything out, but we will get about 98% out. Okay, that is sickness. You don't have to cook it. Remove it if you are using the intestine. Now when I am done, I'll get back to you. If today is the first time here, please do not make it the last time of visiting. You will love it here because, as I said earlier, I share easy recipes and you will love them. If you are returning one, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful. Now after this, I will just push it like how you're going to see. That is the fat I got so far. I am not done. So I will just push it like how you are seeing, and then bring anything that is not good from the intestine. But they have done that already, but still I have to do it. Now I'll open it like how you are seeing on the screen, and then let pipe water rain through it because I just want to wash it well. After that, I will just tie it like how you are seeing on the screen, and trust me, oh, this added some taste to the soup. Okay, you can see now it looks very clean. So I'll go ahead and then tie everything behind camera, and I will get back to you. Welcome back. We are done with everything. I will go ahead and then prep the rest of my ingredients. So I have my onion, I have my garlic, pepper, and then ginger. So I am just going to use half of the onion. Okay, what I'm doing now is wrong, but please correct yourself. Okay, you have to wash everything before you prep it so that it will not be in the water again. Now when I'm done with everything, okay, we are just going to add it to our blender or pour it in the blender and then blend it very well. So we will prep the ginger as well, and then we decided to use half of the onion for the soup again. We are going to steam that, but I changed my mind and I did not add that to the soup. Okay, so this is all what we have. I will just go ahead and then divide it, and then we'll go ahead and blend it. After we are done blending it, we have prepped our meat as well. I have the good meat and then the intestine as well. I'm just going to add the blended ingredients and then add my goat seasoning. Use any seasoning of your choice. So the seasoning we are going to use here is our salt and then good seasoning. Okay, use any seasoning of your choice. You are good to go. Now we will leave that on fire, and it is doing so well. Now this is how it looks. You have to boil it very well, okay, because the intestine is very hard. I took some of the stuff from it, but trust me, I added it to the soup again. Now what I am straining now is my fresh tomatoes and then garden eggs. You know that Ghanaian light soup where you use garden eggs. Oh my goodness. So today we are just preparing it like how we prepare it in Ghana. I'll just go ahead and strain everything perfect, and then we are good to go. Should you want it very thick, you can decide not to strain it, okay? And if you blend it well, do not strain it. But this one, it was not well blended. That is why I am straining it. And with this recipe, we want it light, we don't want it thick. Okay, so strain it perfect, and I will show you the next step to do. With our soup, we are going to pair it with fufu, so we will be preparing fufu as well. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and for 3 recipes, we are on YouTube at Recipe goddess. So follow us for more videos. If you want short detailed recipes, okay, like a minute or a minute and a half, please follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube short. Now we are done straining everything. I'll go ahead and then give it a stir, make sure it becomes uniform, and then we can proceed. If you come to my kitchen right now, oh my goodness, it smells so good. Now we are just going to leave that on fire and then take good care of our fufu. So in my cooking pot, I added some fufu flour. Use any fufu flour of your choice. Add some water to it, mix it very well, and then just set your fire, keep on stirring, and then make sure you prepare it just like how you are seeing on the screen. If you want a very detailed recipe on how to prepare fufu, I have this particular one and then others on the channel. Please check it out and you will love it. Now our fufu looks so good and then it is ready. So I am just going to collect everything and then mold it very well and then put it in our bowls or anything that we are going to serve it in, and then we can take good care of the soup as well. Just look at that, so soft and then perfect. This is how our soup is also doing it. It looks so good but not done yet. Leave it on fire, and after some minutes, like 30 to 35 minutes, this is how the soup is doing. It is doing absolutely good. I have added some okra and then pepper to it. I did not add a lot of pepper because not everyone wants it spicy. So if you drop some in like that, those who want it spicy can just mash some in. Especially we have kids in our midst, okay, and they don't want it spicy. Now leave it on fire, taste for salt and see if everything is okay. I tasted for salt and it was so perfect, okay, so nice. I will just leave it on fire again and then allow it to do its own magic, and I will be with you shortly. This was so good. After some few minutes, our soup, oh my goodness, it's ready. Yes, and trust me, the family fell in love with it, and our fufu is also ready, and it was the best combo. It was so nice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Try it and let me know the feedback. Let me see you in the next upload. You can't afford to miss it. See you in the next one. Take good care. Bye bye.